Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the Valucop YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video because this video is going to be very important to somebody. Now remember the DyDx, the sports and margin trading decentralized exchange. So this just yesterday they launched their own governance token. And you know how Uniswap last year launched their own Uni token and rewarded people with over $1,000 in airdrop. Now, guess what? The DyDx is also airdropping some amount of their token, of their governance token, to those who have interacted with their platform before July 26th this year. So first thing first, let's see if you qualified for this airdrop. Now, look at my search. Go to your Trust wallet or the wallet you used to interact with the DyDx platform, and you paste this link. That is trade.dydx.exchange/portfolio/rewards. Now look at it. Look at the search, the browser space, and then you enter it will load up the reward page. Now, if you have interacted in any way, like you've deposited funds on the exchange, on the DyDx platform, you will see this place. Then you will see connect wallet. Then you connect wallet. You connect your Trust wallet. Now, under allocation, you will see you're supposed to do your complete onboarding. That you have to use your username and your email address to create an account with star key. You will see the instructions. Under allocation, you will see the quantity of tokens you are allocated to. Now, if you've not done any trade on this platform, you will need to, under the next milestone, you will see make at least one trade in August, because all the tokens will be transferable by September. So you still have a chance to make at least one trade in August in this platform to be able to unlock your airdrops, and you'll see the countdown to the next Epoch. And also, the more you use this platform, the more you get rewards in fees. In fees, you will see the amount of reward you've accumulated the more you trade on this platform. So rush now. You'll see the link beneath this video to check if you qualified for the DyDx governance token. Remember how Uniswap tokens were last year, whereby people got over $1,000 worth of tokens. This time around, the DyDx is also possibly going to distribute one of the largest airdrops that we have seen in this space. So what are you still waiting for? Go and check out if you qualified for yours, or try to make at least one trade in this August in order to claim your own rewards on the DyDx exchange. Make sure you're using the wallet address that you use to interact with the DyDx exchange, your sport and margin decentralized exchange. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video with a friend. Share this video with someone who you know must have done this and needs this information as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.